What is up YouTube, my name is John and today I will be reacting to Liquid Tension Experiment Acid Rain live in LA 2008. You guys have voted for this one on my Patreon, so if you want to take part in Patreon polls, check the link down in the description. For $1 a month you can take part in these polls. And yeah, you guys, actually some of you guys already wanted this in the past, so I was like, let's just go for it. This was a tie between Liquid Tension Experiment and Beartooth, but ultimately I just decided to go for it this band because I was just so freaking curious. But right now, without further ado, let's check out Liquid Tension Experiment together for the very first time right now. 3, 2, 1, no. Gonna pump up the volume a little bit. Oh man, 360p takes me back. Oh bro. Just a couple of seconds in and I'm already mind blown. What the actual F? I know! It's John Petrucci, it's Dream Theater, it's Mike Portnoy, Jordan Rudess, and I actually forgot the fourth guy, the bassist's name, but holy balls. That is... Oh! That is a funky looking bass though. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Rudess creating that magic. Portnoy bringing it straight up bass. Header! Of course he gotta stand up. He always gotta stand up. Whoa. There are a very few things in this universe as coordinated as Mike Portnoy, Jordan Rudess, and John Petrucci. Let's just get that out of the way. Oh, there are people. Bassist has a glorious mustache. He's like, yeah, I'm just playing one of the best keyboard solos of all time, but yeah, I'm just having a good time, man. Oh man, those toms sound so chunky. How do you even learn to play this thing? Look at this. What is this? I believe that it will be written down maybe in the comments in the description. But what is this? It's like two guitars decided to do their Super Saiyan, I don't know, kind of fusion or whatever. And just became a bass basically. Day V504 intensifies. I hear that cowbell. That's a dreamy guitar playing. The beautiful effect slept on. I think Jordan Rudess just entered a different dimension, came back and started playing this. That is how it all began. I believe that's the answer for all of our questions. I'd like to know what kind of stack Mike Portnoy. Hold up. I wanted to say what kind of stack Mike Portnoy plays there, but Joe Petrucci gave me no chance to think. I'm selling, who's buying? No, but seriously, what the actual flippity flip just happened right there? I mean, I know it's Mr. John Petrucci, but that was absolutely incredibly, inhumanly, impossibly crazy. I don't even know. There are no words. Let's continue. I'm still bamboozled. Holy shit. I should have known. Still wasn't ready. How come Jordan is always so freaking happy? I mean, I guess why do I even ask that question? If I was such an amazing player, I would be happy all the goddamn time. Man, and he spins! The man spins! Holy moly! This is Space Invaders on all possible drugs, okay? Just keeps on spinning, man. Do a flip! That coordination right there. Also, I just one more thing. The bassist, he looks like an anime villain. I saw that somewhere, but I don't know which one. He's just an anime villain with a bass. Oh, brother, Mike Portnoy, please don't hurt yourself. Yeah, that definitely deserves an applause. That deserves an endless applause, okay? Damn, that was Liquid Tension Experiment Acid Rain live in LA 2008, and oh my god, that was music, ladies and gentlemen. This is music right here. This is music made for the love of music and for just trying to push boundaries of what can be done with music. You know, the sky is the limit for these guys. Like, what the hell? What the hell? That solo from Petrucci. Like, I've heard, the Dream Theater solos, but goddammit, whatever happened there was just absolutely mind-blowing. Also spinning Jordan Rudess, anime villain bassist, and Mike Portnoy, excellent as always. Thick sounding drums, great fills, great grooves. And I just need to see what that bass actually is. I think I saw something in the description. Bass and Chapman stick. Chapman stick. That is the first time that I'm hearing about the Chapman stick. But if you guys know more about that instrument, you can definitely let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, this was extremely sick. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a thumbs up and subscribe for more stuff, because as you know, there is always more videos coming your way. If you want to take part in these Patreon polls that I do every single week, the link is down in the description, and from $1 monthly you can join my Patreon and you can vote in these polls and do other things as well. But yeah, thank you again so much for watching. Thank you for requesting Liquid Tension Experiment. These guys can just do no wrong, and I will see you all in the next video. So have a nice day, evening, night, or whatever you have right now, but also drum of approval. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Cheers.